start off this makeup look, I want to show you guys my skincare prep before I normally go in with makeup. So I have a clean face, and now I'm going in with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. This elixir helps tighten pores and gives a shot of radiance to the skin. You can use it before you do your makeup, you can use it for skincare, you can use it to set your makeup. Now I'm going in with the Lancome Genifique Serum. This serum is an anti-aging serum, and it helps reveal more smoother, radiant, anti-aged skin in as little as 7 days. It's very bomb, and as you could tell, I need it right now because my skin is not looking good. Now I'm going in with the Caudalie anti-aging eye cream. This eye cream helps tighten your under eyes and gets rid of the appearance of dark circles. I also love going in with an eye cream because it really helps hydrate that under eye, so that way when you set it with translucent powder, it doesn't look dry and cracked and like flaky. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes I have that problem, so going in with an under eye cream is just what I need to prevent that. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Mattifying Lotion. This lotion contains clays and tea tree oil, which helps absorb oil on contact. I have combo skin, so I like to use this sometimes when I'm feeling oily, or when I'm feeling dry, I'll go in with a more hydrating moisturizer. But this does hydrate your skin while getting control of your oils, and I'm using it because, as you can see, I have a few breakouts going on, and that really helps with my breakouts. I've noticed that e.l.f. Mattifying Lotion to really help get rid of my breakouts fast. Now I'm going in with the Clarins Perfect Touch Smoothing Primer. This primer is so good, you guys. It just smooths out your skin so well. It looks like you have a filter on your face. It's bomb. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, like always. You guys already know, but I'm putting it on in a new way. Instead of dotting the foundation all over my face with my finger, I'm just applying a little bit of foundation on my beauty blender and then putting it on my face and spreading it out. I'm finding that I used to use way too much foundation, and sometimes that would leave my skin looking cakey, but by putting it on my beauty blender, I can just spread it out through my whole face, and I never get too much product that way. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm using this to highlight and conceal my under eyes, my chin, the center of my nose, like the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and I'm also using it to prime my eyelids, and also to spot conceal any areas that I see my blemishes peeping through. And now I'm blending that concealer out using my beauty blender to make sure everything is nice and blended and flawless. Something new I've been doing is going in with a liquid highlight before I set my face. So I'm using the Becca Liquid Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop, which you guys know is my favorite highlight from Becca Cosmetics. Champagne Pop is just the perfect color for my skin tone. So I apply that on all the high points of my face. So my cheekbones, my chin, the right above my eyebrow, on my forehead. I'll do it on my nose sometimes, my cupid's bow. So I just blend it out using my beauty blender, and then you'll see what happens when I set my face. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10, but I'm only putting this under my eyes to stop the creases, my nose, the center of my forehead, and around my mouth, like my smile lines, so that they don't crease. So I'm pretty much just getting the areas that crease on me and my T-zone with this powder. So you don't want to get this powder on the areas that we just put that liquid highlight down, because then it will just mattify that liquid highlight and it won't shine through. Now, I'm the type of person who always has to set my whole face because I hate my face feeling tacky, sticky, wet. I hate that feeling. So I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Setting Powder, and I'm putting that over the areas that I applied the liquid highlight and the rest of my face. This will help intensify that liquid highlight, so you're not mattifying it and taking it away, and it just gives you a very natural, radiant looking glow to the skin, and it's just so beautiful. And I love doing this. This has been my new base routine lately, so that's why I want to share this with you guys. You guys will be seeing me do this probably in my next few videos because I just love this technique. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in the shade Fantastic on a Morphe JH30 brush, and I'm just using this bronzer as my eyeshadow. So I'm just applying that bronzer in my crease using windshield wiper motions, and I'm just dragging it out a little bit on that outer corner when I have leftover product, just to give it a bit of a winged out effect, because you guys know I'm really into doing that winged out effect lately. I can't get enough of it. Once my bronzer is as intense as I would like it, I'm taking translucent powder on a Morphe E47 brush, and I'm just using that to clean up the edge of my eyeshadow so it can be nice and sharp and precise and clean. Now I'm going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Let me tell you guys about this eyeshadow. This is one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. It's just a very neutral shade with a micro silver glitter in it, so it just reflects so pretty. And when I have this on, the camera does not even do the shade justice. When I have this on, my eyelids almost look wet. They're so sparkly and gorgeous. It's my favorite eyeshadow to use, and I just applied that onto my lid using my finger. Then I went in with the Salon Perfect lashes in the style 614. They're very wispy and I love them. I've used them many times on my channel. And then now I'm going in with this Clarins mascara, and look at the difference that mascara makes on your lashes. Before mascara and after mascara, look at that difference. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette, and I'm taking the shade Girlfriend on a Morphe E36 brush, and I'm just applying that as my inner corner highlight. I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a tinted inner corner highlight. So this is like a white based highlight with a pinky blue reflect. Now I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs bronzer on my Benefit Hula brush, and I'm starting to contour / bronze my cheekbones, and I'm also contouring my jawline using this bronzer and this brush. You guys know how I feel about this brush. It is my favorite brush for doing this step. If I lost it, I'd have to go buy another Hula bronzer just for this brush. It's bomb, you guys. Now I'm taking my Morphe M437 brush, just running that brush over the areas that I bronzed / contoured, just to make sure everything's blended, smooth, that we have no harsh lines, that nothing's too intense. Now I'm going in with the Morphe JH02 brush and that same bronzer, and I'm applying bronzer to my forehead. This brush applies bronzer to the forehead very nicely. It doesn't leave my forehead looking patchy or anything. It's just a very beautiful, even bronze. Now I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and that same Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, and I'm using that to contour my nose. Now to contour my nose, I'm sure a lot of you have seen me do it a billion times, but just in case you're new here, to contour my nose, I draw 2 lines down the center of my nose close together but leaving a gap on the bridge, and I connect it at the bottom. Then I contour my nostrils. This gives the appearance of a smaller, slimmer nose. Then I contour my cupid's bow and my bottom lip, which gives the appearance of a bigger lip. So, bigger lip, smaller nose, pretty much. And then I go in with my e.l.f. concealer brush. It's just a little fluffy brush from e.l.f. and it's bomb, and I just use that brush to blend that contour out so it's not harsh, because you don't want to leave the house looking like that. No, you want your contour blended. Now I'm going in with translucent powder and I'm baking the areas that I contoured. So I'm carving out the underneath of my cheeks, and I will be contouring my nose also. This just helps clean up that contour and bronzer so it doesn't look messy, so that we can look chiseled, sharp, clean, precise. So that's what baking does, and I just let it sit there while I move on to my blush and my highlight, and it just really cleans up those areas. For highlight, I'm going in with the OFRA Rodeo Drive Highlighter on a Morphe M510 brush. This highlight is so blinding, you guys, and with the liquid highlight and translucent glow powder that we already have on our face, we're going to be super glowy for summer, but super matte at the same time. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm applying that highlight on all the areas that I love to be glowing. So my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, the center of my nose, and the tip of my nose. And now I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amour on a Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush. And I'm just applying this blush to my cheekbones, and I'm dragging it up into my hairline. If that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Look at the difference that blush makes. Did you see that, guys? Blush makes a huge difference, and I love applying my blush after my contour and my highlight because it just helps blend those two products together. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M437 brush to wipe away that bake on my face and also make sure that all the products on my face are blended well together. Now I'm taking the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bar to line my lips. You guys know I love these Morphe lip liners. If you haven't tried them, get your hands on them. Next time you're ordering something from Morphe or you go to the store to get something from Morphe, grab some of these liners. They're $3 and they're bomb. You get so much product. They're smooth, they're comfortable, they last, they're so good. Now I'm going in with the Sephora Collection Liquid Cream lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade 33 and it's only $14. It's bomb. And then I'm taking the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please to top over that lip, and that's, you could leave it like this if you want, but I want to give you the option to use the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal if you can't get your hands on the Desi X Katie More Creamer Please lipstick. This is the same shade as that lipstick, but it's just a gloss. And if you like glossy lips, then there you go. Then I'm setting my face using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray, and that's it. This is the final makeup look. This is my easy everyday summer glam makeup routine, and I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my before makeup routine, my little before makeup skincare routine. If you guys did like that, then let me know, because that's not my full skincare routine, that's just my before makeup skincare routine. So if you guys would like to see a full-on skincare routine, please let me know, because I would love to film one. I've been thinking about it for a while, but just leave me some comments down below or give this video a like if you would like to see my full skincare routine video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's super easy to achieve. It's super glowy for summer, but it's super simple to do every day. The lashes are natural. The eye look is super simple to achieve. The bronze is perfect for summer, and the glow, you're glowing to the gods without having a sticky, tacky base, which is what I hate. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your parents, tell your aunts and uncles, whatever. Tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. It always means so much to me when I get new subscribers. And I just want to thank everyone for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!